Your BMW starts perfectly fine, but suddenly your dashboard displays one warning that instantly makes most owners panic. Battery discharged. Start engine. Does this mean your battery is about to die? Is your alternator failing? Or is your BMW trying to warn you about a hidden electrical problem that could leave you stranded later? The surprising part is this. Thousands of BMW owners replace their battery after seeing this warning, only for the exact same message to come back days or weeks later. So before you spend hundreds of dollars on a new battery, you need to know what's actually happening. If you've seen this warning on your BMW, you're in exactly the right place. In this video, we'll explain what this message really means, why BMW displays it, the most common causes behind it, why simply replacing the battery doesn't always solve the problem, and what you should check first before spending your money. But first, I want you to answer one simple question. If this warning appeared on your dashboard today, would you immediately replace the battery? Or would you simply start the engine and continue driving? Most people choose one of these two options. But surprisingly, neither answer is always correct. Let me explain why. Let's start with the most common belief. Many drivers assume this warning simply means the battery has become old. That sounds completely reasonable. Batteries naturally lose capacity over time. When they become weak, replacing them usually solves the problem. Replacing the battery seems like the obvious solution. In many vehicles, that's exactly what you'd do. But BMW's electrical system works very differently. Now let's look at the opposite opinion. Some BMW owners completely ignore the warning. They start the engine, drive for 30 or 40 minutes. The message disappears, and they believe the problem has fixed itself. But has it? Not necessarily. The warning disappears because the battery has received some charge while the engine was running. That doesn't automatically mean the original cause has disappeared. So now we have two completely different opinions. One group replaces the battery immediately. The other ignores the warning completely. Who's actually right? The answer is sometimes neither. Let's make this more interesting. Imagine two identical BMWs parked next to each other. Both display exactly the same warning. Yet both have completely different problems. The first owner drives only short distances every day. Maybe 10 minutes to work. Then 10 minutes back home. Every single day. The second owner regularly drives long highway trips. Same warning. Different cause. Why? Because BMW doesn't always charge the battery like older vehicles. Its intelligent charging system is designed to improve fuel efficiency by controlling when the alternator charges the battery. Instead of charging continuously, it often increases charging during braking or deceleration. That means if you mostly drive short trips while using heated seats, air conditioning, defrosters, lights, or other electrical accessories, the battery may never fully recover the energy used during starting. Day after day, the battery's state of charge slowly drops until the vehicle finally displays this warning. So here's another question. Would installing a brand new battery change your driving habits? Of course not. Which means the warning may eventually come back again. But now here's where things become even more surprising. Let's say you install a brand new AGM battery. Everything looks perfect. A few days later, the same warning appears again. How is that possible? Because the battery may never have been the real problem. BMW's intelligent battery sensor constantly monitors battery voltage, current flow, and state of charge. If that sensor becomes damaged, corroded, or affected by moisture, it can report incorrect battery information. Sometimes the battery is healthy, but the vehicle believes it isn't. Other times, the sensor itself never enters sleep mode and slowly drains the battery while the car is parked. But that's still not the end of the story. On many BMW models equipped with comfort access, The door handles themselves can become the hidden culprit. Over time, moisture can enter the handle's electronics. Instead of sleeping normally after you lock the car, the handle repeatedly wakes up the vehicle's communication network. Imagine trying to sleep while someone keeps switching the lights on every few minutes. That's essentially what happens inside the car. The electrical system never fully goes to sleep. Instead of drawing only a tiny amount of standby power, it continues consuming much more energy throughout the night. The next morning, your dashboard warns you that the battery has been discharged. Newer BMW models have another hidden issue: a leaking roof-mounted shark fin antenna seal. A small amount of water enters through the roof. That water reaches important electronic modules. Instead of shutting down correctly, those modules remain active. Again, the battery slowly drains while the vehicle is parked. Most owners never suspect a roof antenna could trigger a battery warning. Yet that's exactly what has happened on certain BMW models. So what connects all these completely different situations? Short trips, faulty sensors, water leaks, comfort access door handles, software issues. They're all different problems, but they create the same result. The battery keeps losing energy faster than BMW expects. When the advanced power management system determines the battery has reached a critically low state of charge, it displays the warning to protect enough power for the next engine start. This is why guessing rarely works. Replacing the battery without diagnosing the actual cause may only waste money. Ignoring the warning could eventually leave you unable to start the car. The correct solution is identifying why the battery is losing charge in the first place. That's why BMW technicians perform a complete energy diagnosis instead of simply installing a new battery. The system checks battery history, sleep history, standby current, and which control modules prevented the vehicle from entering sleep mode. So the next time your BMW displays battery discharged, start engine, don't immediately assume the battery is dead. Sometimes the battery is the problem. Sometimes it's your driving pattern. Sometimes it's a faulty sensor. Sometimes it's an electrical component that never allows the vehicle to sleep. Understanding the real cause can save you hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars in unnecessary repairs. But here's one final question. If your BMW battery is healthy, the alternator is working properly, and yet this warning still keeps returning, what hidden component do you think is quietly draining power every single night? That's the question every BMW owner should be asking.